Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own subscriptions hidden so that when you subscribe to a YouTuber, the YouTuber won't see it and other people won't see it. Now the first step, of course, open up your Firefox or preferred browser, head down to YouTube, and here I'm going to show you what will happen if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I go to YouTube Studio, and here when I scroll down I can see who subscribed to my YouTube channel, and as you can see, only include users that have made their subscriptions public. Now I'm going to show you how to hide this. Now simply head down to YouTube, sign into your existing YouTube account, and from there head down to your icon right here, or the user data. Now from there we open up these settings, as you can see right here, and from out these settings all we have to do is hop onto the privacy tab, and inside the privacy tab make sure to check this box, because this will keep all my subscriptions private. As you can see, your subscriptions won't be visible to others unless you use that feature to make them public. Now it's very easy as that. Now if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, this helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.